Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make composites in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree and make sure you got the electricity tool and some kind of electric grid already in your world. Also the electric furnace and the material processor and composite paste. First off, make sure you got the material processor connected to your electricity grid with the electricity tool. Press F, and here you're gonna see composite paste. You want to craft some of this. Once it's crafted, you want to craft the electric furnace, also connected to the electricity grid. Press F, and here you can craft the composites by placing the composite paste inside of the furnace. So this is pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped, and see you in the next one.